Yo. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, guys. And just in case you may want to know, the issue I'll be solving today is this issue of launchpad too long. Like, for example, I know I want to show you something. Okay, I tried to install this application. This is Adobe application. I want to install this application right now, and I want to hit on yes, and you can see the problem I'm getting here. We've encountered this following issues. Launch path is too long. Please run the installation from some other location. Okay guys, just in case you are in this situation and you don't understand what this statement actually means, it means that you are running this installation from a folder that is very deeply located into your PC, which means you are supposed to change the location of this setup application file before the installation proper can occur. So what is actually, because I know a lot of the first time I came across this problem when trying to install an application onto my PC, I was a bit baffled about what this language actually means. So if you are in my shoes today, and if you are in my shoes today and you don't understand what this statement actually means, we're going to sort it out right now and treat it once and for all so that you can actually understand what it means. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started, guys. So what I want to do right now is I want to just say quit. This is actually a Photoshop application. I once had it on my PC earlier on, but decided to uninstall that version for another version. And of course, it's the cracked version, and I have to do it that way because, of course, I couldn't have upgraded the application just from the recent installation on my PC. So what I want to do right now is I want to copy out this file itself entirely, this folder I mean. So I want to move this folder to some other location. You can actually place it on your desktop if you want. Okay, and I think that's the simplest way for us to do it right now, so that you can actually get a clear understanding. So I want to hit on my desktop and I want to transfer this application to my desktop. Just wait for a moment while the application copies onto the desktop. Okay guys, now that the application has been fully copied onto my desktop, I want to open the same application, and right now I'll head straight for the setup file. So look at the setup executable file here, and then you want to right click and run as administrator. So just for us to see, okay, as you can see, the application installation has started, so which means that problem has now been treated. So just for the sake of not wanting to install this application right now, I want to cancel it. Yes, cancel. So but again, I just did this because I wanted to show you so you can understand how it works. So right now that issue has been solved just by changing the location of that particular installation files to another location that is very much on the outer side and not very deeper like the initial location. So again, once more, that's the end, gonna be the end of this tutorial. And if you enjoyed that video, I implore you to leave your comment section below if you have anything to say, and then hit the subscribe button, and again do me that favor of turning on the notification alert so that you can get updates whenever I publish a new kind of trick like this one on YouTube. Okay, thank you and see you on the other side. Yalla.